gosh, I'm going to take him home after this, but then maybe his mother would be mad. Our next guest, he may be small in stature, but his voice is mighty. He's grade 2 student Naquan Brown. He was recently crowned national champion in the gospel category at the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission's Music Festival. And today he's here to tell us a little bit about the experience and to bless us with a performance. He is almost as tall as Jody, so I'm just going to kneel down. Hi there, friend. How are you?
I'm fine.
You are all of 7 years old.
Yes.
And you just won a gold medal at JCDC.
Yes.
How was that?
That was the second round, but the third round, it was a trophy.
It was a trophy. Was it a gold trophy?
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been singing, Naquan?
Well, for some days, my dad said from I was like 1 year old.
Like a baby?
Yes.
You love music?
Yes.
Why do you love music? How does it make you feel when you hear music?
Anything's possible for me, because when I hear music, I just try to sing it like I know it.
Does it make you feel happy? Does it make you feel sad? Does it give you goosebumps? Does it...
It makes me feel happy.
Yeah. Do you have a favorite kind of music? Is gospel your favorite, or do you also like reggae, or what?
I only like gospel.
Only gospel. And why only gospel?
Well, I don't like doing anything different, so I just do gospel.
Like you love God.
Yes.
What? Tell me. Go on. You were going to say something else. Were you?
No.
Okay. What do you love about this song? I love this song because it was my mommy's favorite song. What do you love about this song?
Well, I love how it says of the goodness of God. So, my mom taught me how to sing it, so I thought of it and said, all right, I kind of like this song. So I sang it for Mother's Day.
Oh, so do you ever get nervous, Naquan? Because when you're singing, especially at JCDC, you're singing for a lot of people in the theater, you're singing for the judges. Like, does your heart race and do you get nervous?
No, I don't really get nervous. But the first time, I was all brave.
Oh.
The second and third.
All the
This
time.
is only my first year.
This is your first year.
Yes.
Wow. And so, what does Naquan want to be when he becomes a big boy?
Well, what I want to be is a singer.
Yeah. And you want to sing just gospel music?
Yes. So, I also know another song that you're going to love.
Oh.
And it's called The Greatest Love of All.
Is happening to me. Yes. You're going to sing that one too?
Yes.
Oh, for that song this morning, the cabaret show. All right. Well, your teacher is here. What's your teacher's name?
Miss Allinson Gillett.
And she worked with you to help make the song better?
Yes.
Was she fun to work with? Did she make it easier, or was it hard for you to kind of get it right?
No, it wasn't really so hard after all.
Yes, yes.
From the first time I was training, I kind of was every day, like she said, I'm giving her something new.
Okay.
Better and better and better.
Excellent. And did you have to train really hard? You trained every day, you sang every day?
Yes.
After school?
Yes.
Yes.
Even though sometimes I do practice in class, but a girl named Aria, she's always stopping me, but I just ignore.
That's right. Aria, listen. Listen, the young man has a career that he's working on. Stop trying to distract him. Do you do anything else outside of singing? Do you have any other hobbies that you like to do? Do you play ball or?
No, I'm not really that cool guy.
No. You know what you're about, and you're about singing. Well, high five me.
That's my spirit.
That's your spirit. Can I get a hug? Oh, God bless you. All right, folks. Naquan Brown with his JCDC gold medal winning song, Goodness of God. Ready? Yes. Let's go.
I love you, Lord, For your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I'll give you everything. Your goodness is running after me. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.